Trade lines refer to the accounts listed on your credit report, such as credit cards, loans, mortgages, and other lines of credit. Each account on your credit report is considered a trade line, and they provide a record of your payment history and credit usage. Trade lines can be either positive or negative, depending on your payment history and credit usage. Positive trade lines show that you have a history of making payments on time and using credit responsibly, while negative trade lines show that you have missed payments, defaulted on loans, or have been sent to collections. Having a mix of positive trade lines can help improve your credit score, as it shows that you have a history of using credit responsibly. Negative trade lines can hurt your credit score and make it harder to qualify for credit in the future. Some companies offer the service of selling or renting out trade lines, which allows individuals to add positive credit history to their credit reports by becoming an authorized user on someone else's credit account. However, it is important to note that this practice can be risky and potentially fraudulent, as it involves adding someone else's credit history to your own credit report.